Good morning, students. This is our final part for the chapter Climate for class 9th. We have completed the NCERT questions. Now, 4 questions remained. Question number 5, question number 6 and 7 and 8. We are going to discuss that how one has to write the answer for the long questions through this video, and it will be helpful for you to answer any type of question because it will tell you that what will be the strategy to solve these questions of every chapter. The fifth question of this chapter is you have to describe the regional variation in the climate condition of India with the help of suitable examples. So in this question you have to describe that what are the regional variation in the climatic condition of India, and you have to give the example also. So in this video I am telling you the answer that describe the regional variation in the climatic condition of India with the help of suitable examples. So you can see that you can answer your question with the help of any type of diagrammatic way, and then you can write down the theory portion which is based on the diagrammatic way. So when we say that how the regional variation we can find in our own Indian climate, so it depends on these 4 factors. Regional variation we are having in climate of India just because of these 4 factors. First is location of place, that at which place we are talking about. That location means that it is a plain area or hilly area. That's why it also matters for the variation of temperature or rainfall for the country. Then altitude, that what is the height of the place from the sea level. Then distance from the sea, and fourth is relief feature. So these are the 4 factors which are related to the regional variations of climatic condition of India, and just because of these differences, location of the place, altitude, distance from the sea of that particular state, and the relief feature of that particular area are different. That's why we are having the diversity in the regional variation of the climatic condition of India. Now for example, you can trace the example that Manisaram in Meghalaya, it receives the world's highest rainfall. In the same nation, Mansaram is the area where we are having the world's highest rainfall record, while in India, in the other state, Jaisalmer, it receives very least rainfall. Very least amount of rainfall we can observe there. So it is because that both states relief feature are different, their distance from the sea level is also different, the altitude also matter, and the location of the place is also matter. That's why there is a regional variation in climatic condition in India. Now the next question from NCERT, that discuss the mechanism of monsoons. In this question you have to discuss in detail that what is the mechanism of monsoon in India. The Indian climate is known as monsoon. So you have to discuss in a detail that what is the mechanism of monsoon in India. So here I am just helping with this video that how you have to start to write the answer, but you have to write down more content. I am here only helping you with the help of video, that in a short manner I am giving you the idea that how you can start your answer, but in a theory portion you have to write more content. Now mechanism of monsoon depends on 2 factors. One is the presence of water bodies around the subcontinent like the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. That how the you can say how the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Oceans, you can say how they are present and in what type of situation is there near the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, that they also affect the monsoon and the mechanism of monsoon which affect the subcontinent. It means Indian monsoon. Second is the presence of highlands like Western Ghats and the path of southwest monsoon. Second factor which is related to the mechanism of monsoon in India is the presence of Western Ghats. It also, because the winds blow from these areas, and it create lots of changes and differences towards the monsoon condition in India. So these you can write down. On the other hand, you can write down that monsoon involves the following concept. What is the concept of monsoon in India? The phenomena of monsoon. The pattern of monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal of winds. It is because while the southwest monsoon winds blow from the sea to land at the end of the summer season, the northeast winds blow from the land to sea during the winter season. So you can see that according to the season, the flow of the wind is also different and they revise. As we are having summer season, then we are having the winter season. After ending the winter season, once again the southwest monsoon winds will blow from the sea to land, and that's why we are having the summer season in our subcontinent. So it is a seasonal reversal of the monsoon winds. That's why we are having certain pattern of season in India. Next question of your NCERT of this chapter. Give an account of weather condition and characteristic of the cold season. In this question, you have to describe what are the weather condition and what are the characteristic of the winter season or cold season in India. It means you have to describe the winter season as a whole. So, you can try to answer your question that the characteristic of the cold season, that in cold season, during the cold season, the days are warm. Temperature decreases. Frost is commonly experienced in northern India. The cold season in most parts of the country is a dry season. Yes, dry. There is a dry season which is so cold and chilled, and it experienced in most of the northern part of India. Then many cyclonic disturbances occur over the northern India this time. During the winter season in the northern India, so many cyclonic disturbance can be experienced and can be occurred. So these are the characteristics of the winter and cold season. In a short way I am helping you. You have to write down more answer with the help of your NCERT, because I hadn't completed the NCERT question. So as a help I am creating this video so that these question can be completed by you, but you have to write down more content for each question with the help of book. Now the last question of the chapter is, give the characteristic and effects of the monsoon rainfall in India. You have to give the characteristics and what are the effects of monsoon rainfall in India. You have to write down that around the time of the arrival of monsoon, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. That when monsoon arrives in India, normally the rainfall increases and it has happened suddenly and it continues constantly for several days. This is known as a burst of the monsoon. In the starting of the monsoon it has happened and it continues for the 15 days or several days, and this situation is known as a burst of the monsoon. Now monsoon has the tendency to have break, thus it has wet and dry spells. In the other words, monsoon rain take place only for few days at a time. So these are the helping. I am helping you that how you have to develop your answer, but remember my point that you have to write down more content, and you all are having your answer in your own NCERT as in the chapter. So all question number 5, 6 and 7 and 8 will be your homework for this video, and you have to complete it with the help of your NCERT. All question answer you will be having in your own book. I have given the certain idea that how you supposed to make a flow chart or the diagram to support your answer. God bless you.